witches gather, their spirits strong, their hearts unique. In black capes draped, they stand in the mist, silent as shadows, an ancient twist. Knives in hand, they carve the air. In the circle of stones, they begin their prayer. Pentacle rising, the moon's pale light guides their rituals through the endless night. Of whispers in the valley below, as the ritual stirs, the winds start to grow. With every chant, the stones come alive in the lunar glow. They begin to thrive. I am surrounded by lights, strong and true, a shield of power in all I do. No harm shall pass, no ill shall stay. Only love and peace lights my way. With every breath, I stand secure, protected, grounded, calm and pure. So mote it be. Mist curls in the valleys cold and deep, where secrets are hidden and silence speaks. The moon goddess watches from her throne above, as the witches call on the spirits they love. A sacred bond in the stars' embrace. The pentacle's power fills this sacred space. The mist, the knives, the moonlit veil in the witches' hands. The ancient powers prevail. On this night they summon the sky, as the mountain echoes the timeless cry. The ritual complete in the starry cold, the witch's story forever On a cold, starry night, high on the mountain's peak, the witches gather, their spirits strong, their hearts unique. In black capes draped, they stand in the mist, silent as shadows, an ancient twist.